Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get a 99 Nights in the Forest script for Roblox. So let me just show you guys right here. As you can see, this is super cool, guys, and it actually works. So I'm going to show you all the settings. But yeah, it's super insane, guys. So let's get into the tutorial. So as you can see, we have all the options right here. So to download it, what we need to do is go over to the website scriptsking.com. So let me just type this in right here, as you can see. Alright, so once we're on this site, guys, what we're going to do is go ahead and get the 99 Nights in the Forest script. So let me just go ahead and find that. So as you can see, we have all the games right here. So just choose 99 Nights in the Forest, and then just go ahead and enter your user ID. So this can be found by getting your profile URL, copy it, and then get the part with the ID. Alright, so copy that, and then what we're going to do is go back onto the website, and we're just going to paste that in. So let me just do this right here, as you can see. Alright, and then press continue, and finally we just need to wait for it to search the database. And after that, it's going to say, do you have it? And I'm going to go ahead and press continue. And then we need to do verification. So this is the last step. You just need to download 2 apps and complete the instructions. It's pretty easy, so let's just wait for this to load, as you can see. So yeah, just wait for it to load. So once it loads up, guys, what we need to do is go ahead and press verify now. It's going to bring us to the list of apps, and all we have to do is download 2 of the apps and follow instructions. Now, it doesn't have to be the same ones as me, but just make sure you download 2 of them. So I'm going to do Travel Town, so it's going to take me to the App Store. I'm going to go ahead and download it. So let's just give it a second for it to redirect me. So now I'm going to go to the home screen and wait for these to download. They're pretty small, so I'm not really expecting a long wait time. So I'm going to go back and get Family Island is the other one. So let's just go ahead and download that, as you can see. Alright, so now see, Travel Town is done. So I'm going to run this right here, just doing some basic interactions, touching around, whatever, nothing too crazy. So let me just go ahead and do that right here, as you can see. So yeah, I'll just run this. So I'm just doing that, as you can see. Alright, just playing through it. Should be good to go. So let me just go ahead and do that right here, as you can see. Alright, so I'm just running it right here, as you can see. Alright, so I'm just going to do that. Okay, let's just do this. So now I'll do Family Island. It's the same thing, guys. Just going to do some basic interactions. So let me just go ahead, do that right here, as you can see. Alright, so let me just go ahead and do that, as you can see. Alright, just playing around with it. Okay, so I'm just going to run this right here. Alright, so let me just go ahead and do this for a little bit more, as you can see. Just playing through it. Should be all good to go, guys. So let's just go ahead and do this right here, as you can see. Alright, so I'm just going to play through it, just doing some basic interactions. So anyway, guys, once you're done, you should have the 99 Nights in the Forest script. So be sure to try this out, guys. Super cool. I'm going to see you later, but definitely go ahead and subscribe to the channel. This is super insane, guys, and it actually works. So